Understanding cryptocurrencies with limited supply. Legendary PAW. Supply is limited to 42 million. In other words, it is deflationary by nature. As a result, not more than 42 million PAWs can ever be in circulation at any given moment. Is limited supply good for cryptocurrency? Purchasing a cryptocurrency with a fixed/limited supply is an effective way to profit from the future value. When dealing with a cryptocurrency with a finite supply, the price surge is almost always guaranteed. Investors understand the importance of high demand and low supply. Legendary PAW, not only crypto. The project itself, it's a complete ecosystem into the blockchain world. With all the back projects using PAW token and PAW NFTs, increasing the demand and value. Full ecosystem by 2025. After the activation of all the back projects at their full levels, the power of PAW will be at its max. The demand will be expected to rise with each back project deployment. Projects development. The team searched and found all the actual flows of the blockchain, currently developing fixes in order to offer the best experience with high utility and feasibility. We will not sacrifice quality for time, as not the rush is behind us. Our mission is to create and develop the strongest, fastest, smartest, most stable and secure virtual coin on the market, which will be able to produce over 7 sources of income that will provide stability, so that there will be significant capital constantly pumping from the projects in which the coin will be involved. Thank you for watching. Understand